maybe too young to understand this, but I feel I'm being my true self because people tell me I didn't count or fit in. You're only like 6 months older than us, Jordan. Everyone thinks we have to grow up to figure out who we are, but they're wrong. We were kids, we know who we are. It's just the world that beats it out of us. So with that being said, you guys can do the dance that you guys worked so hard on. Come on, guys. What do you say I am? We're just children.